Hi students, welcome to physics class. In this video we are going to learn a new concept, that is relative permittivity. Okay, before we go into that, we have to know what is permittivity. So permittivity, that is the property of the medium that can influence the force which is acting between the two charges. So that is permittivity. So what is the basic concept of the permittivity? The property of the medium which can influence the force acting between the two charges. That is called permittivity. So in this video we are going to discuss what is relative permittivity. Relative permittivity of the medium is the ratio of permittivity of the medium to permittivity of the free space. That is called relative permittivity. Okay. So permittivity of the medium always decreases the force acting between the two charges. Okay. So now this relative permittivity is indicated by letter K. It is indicated by K. So okay, let us the derivation of the relative permittivity. Let us see that explanation. Okay, or suppose I am taking two point charges, two stationary point charges. So okay, these two charges are in free space now. Okay, so these two charges are free space, for free space. Now these two charges Q1, Q2 are rest in free space. These two are separated by some distance r. So what is the difference between, what is the distance between these two charges? R. Okay, when these two charges are separated by some distance, so there will be a force. There will be a force. That force may be either attractive force or repulsive force. Okay, when I take two like charges, there will be repulsive force. When I take two unlike charges, there will be attractive force. Okay, whatever it may be, compulsory there will be a force. So when I take two charges, there will be a force. That force is F. So here these two charges are now free space. That's why I am taking force is F naught. Okay, so F naught equal to, so from Coulomb's law, what we can write, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. So this is the force acting between the two charges. So these charges are placed in free space. Okay, this F naught is directly proportional to product of these two charges, and F naught is inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. So this is the force acting between the two charges, that is F naught. So when I take these two charges are in free space, I am taking, this is equation 1. Next, when I take these two charges in medium other than free space, what will happen? For medium, okay, medium means it may be bottom, so another, okay, other than free space. Okay, see here, that is F 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 by R square. So these two charges are placed in medium. So what is the permittivity of the medium? That is epsilon. Permittivity of the free space is epsilon naught. Permittivity of the medium is epsilon. Okay, this is Q1 Q2 by R square. This is the force acting between the two charges placed in a medium. So those two charges are separated with some distance R. So this is the formula to find the force acting between the two charges. These two charges are placed in medium. Okay, in this case these two charges are placed in free space. So I am taking the ratio of 1 and 2, equation 1 by equation 2. Okay, that is F naught by F equal to, so what is F naught? That is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. Q1 Q2 by R square, 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 by R square. So okay, these two are similar, so they will get cancelled. So this is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. When it goes to up, it reverse. That is 4 pi epsilon. Okay, 4 pi will get cancelled. Epsilon by epsilon naught. This is F naught by F. Okay, this is the ratio of permittivity of the medium to permittivity of the free space. Okay, permittivity of the medium is epsilon, permittivity of the free space is epsilon naught, that is equal to epsilon r. So what is epsilon r? Epsilon r is relative permittivity, that is the ratio of permittivity of the free space to permittivity of the medium to permittivity of the free space. So that is epsilon r. Epsilon r is relative permittivity. Okay, so this epsilon r relative permittivity is also called as dielectric constant. So that dielectric constant is epsilon r is equal to k equal to epsilon by epsilon naught. See here, it is also indicated by kr epsilon r. Okay, epsilon r means relative permittivity, k also relative permittivity, so k is dielectric constant. Okay, dielectric constant or relative permittivity, so both are the ratio of relative permittivity of the medium to permittivity of the free space. What is k here? K is dielectric constant. So that means epsilon r k, that is equal to relative permittivity or dielectric constant. Permittivity or dielectric constant. Okay, so what are the units, what are the dimensions of the dielectric constant or relative permittivity? So it has no dimensions, no units. Why? Because these two are just, this is the ratio of permittivity of the medium to permittivity of the free space. Now why it has no units, no dimensions? Let us see that. So epsilon r is equal, this is, what is the unit, what are the units of the epsilon? So this is a permittivity of the medium, that means Coulomb square per Newton meter square. This is epsilon naught, that is permittivity of the free space. What are the units of this? That is c square per Newton meter square. Okay, both will get cancelled, that is 1. That's why it has no units, no dimensions. So just this is a ratio. Okay, when we will get maximum force, when we will get minimum force, when the force decreases, that means when we taken two charges in vacuum in free space, then we will get maximum force. So we will get the maximum force between the two charges when when these charges are placed in vacuum. So when we take these charges in medium, at that time we will get less force, that means force will be decreased. Okay, when we take these two charges in vacuum, there will be maximum force act between these two. So when we take these two charges in medium, then the force will decrease. Okay, permittivity of the medium always decrease the force acting between the two charges. Okay, this is the relative permittivity. Just this is a ratio of permittivity of the medium to permittivity of the free space. It has no units, no dimensions. So this is about relative permittivity. Okay, remaining topics we will see next video. Okay, thank you.